a cake pop. Delicious, but I like it all together. First bite the cake pop. And go together. Why is it so dark? They can. Calm down, Mommy. You did it. I did it.
And then a girl.
Which one, Peyton? Oh, no. What's your name? Mariah, can you come right here, please? Thank you.
I'm gonna make.
Actually, 7 years. Because I got this when I was 2.
Kaden, you just be careful because you have that ant pile like that. So just be careful you don't step into it.
Yeah, be careful with that ant pile. I've been bit up by ants before. So you're gonna go ahead and stand up and go to the front, okay? All right, and then one on each side of your mom, okay? Perfect.
You got this thingy on?
Yeah, sorry recording you, I think. I'll double check.
Okay.
All right, let's practice. Ready? And action.
And that's all.
Oh, congratulations, Aubrey. We had a really great time listening to your presentation. Harrison Payton, you're next.
That was a good practice. All right, we're gonna do it again.
Where were you trying to grab?
Right, yeah, what were you trying to grab?
Up next, we have Harrison Payton. Come on up. Hello, ladies. Are you ready? Look at him. Y'all want to take it off?
Keep it on. I think it should be on. It don't matter. Whatever.
Yeah, keep it on. Y'all ready? But hold on, y'all too far apart. Have two right here. Oh, like stagger.
Right, stagger
Okay.
out.
But can y'all see them all back here?
Yeah, just come here. Yeah.
Everybody up a little bit out here. There you go. Right here is fine.
Y'all watching BET. I'm scoot over a little bit. Does it look staggered now? Mariah. Y'all gotta pay attention.
These things beat me up.
They was doing this earlier.
Hey, you guys, I can't even see because the sun is like going the opposite way. But y'all, we done with the shoot for now. Mariah right here with the kiddos, the girls. Y'all, this is a nice little area to shoot.
Friends ever.
Video shoot. They the best friends ever.
Cutest pack of friends ever.
Yeah. Look, she like, come on.
I bet you I've broken a bone before.
So we came to, what is this, double scoop ice cream? This looks like a black owned business. This is so cute. I love that logo, the symbol. They're you know, so we're about to go in here and get some ice cream real quick with the girl. Been here. Are they leaving here, you don't know? My little strawberry shortcake. Oh, okay.
We just come here and pick up loads, have fun.
She's so cute. What's your name?
Peyton.
Peyton. And your strawberry shortcake, is it good? Is it good?
I have 2 Peytons in my class.
Who? Oh, you do?
Actually, there's actually 3 in the whole name. Is it P-E-Y-T-O-N or P-A-Y-T-O-N?
The other kids sitting over there eating ice cream.
It's like yours, like P-O. There's actually 3.